Hey guys, today we're making these delicious cakesicles. These cakesicles are super pretty and so delicious. They're so easy to make and are perfect if you have some leftover cake for any time. They are perfect for any party or any occasion and are so delicious. Okay, so we're going to start off by taking some of your cake scraps, or you could bake a whole fresh batch of cake for this, and you're going to just crumble this up. Here I just have some rainbow cake scraps. Once you're done crumbling that up, you can take some of your frosting. Now over here I just have some cream cheese icing, but you could use any icing that you have, and put in about 2 tablespoons of this mixture into your crumbs. Then you're going to mix this all together. Once it's nicely combined, you can take your cakesicle mold and spray it with a bit of non-stick spray, and then scoop in some of your mixture and press it down. You will need about 2 tablespoons of this mix. Once you're all done, then you can pop this into your freezer to harden. But before that, you can add some of your cakesicle sticks. These are just plain popsicle sticks. Make sure it's all pressed in nicely. Then you can melt your chocolate on the stove or in the microwave. Once it's nicely melted, you can add in some oil if you like, to make it a bit runnier and easier to dip your cakesicles into. And then just pop your cakesicles out of the mold. And then just scoop over your chocolate over the top, covering the entire cakesicle. Make sure you cover the back as well. Once it's fully coated, you can put it on a sheet of baking paper to cool and decorate however you wish. Here I'm just sprinkling some hundreds and thousands of sprinkles. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to make this delicious cakesicle. It's just perfect if you have some left over, and are just super amazing. This is a definite must-have recipe, and I hope you give it a try. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.